It's all about the primary ingredient. Sucrose gives this cookie snap, crackle, and pop. Jim Leahy pushes the sugar content to an astonishing 333% sucrose for a cookie that straddles the line between bakery and confection. Sugar drives the texture, but almond drives the flavor. When working with a new recipe, I prefer to make it twice, back to back, following the recipe to a T the first time and improving the method to accommodate the professional kitchen the second time. I learn better this way. With a mere 6 ingredients, there's no room for compromise. AP bench flour prevents sticking, but it also inhibits caramelization of the sugars and throws the delicate interplay of flavors off balance. To correct this, on my second batch, I left the flour off the bench, rested the dough in the cooler overnight, which made the dough easier to handle and to cut. The firmer dough allowed for more beautifully presented almond insides. Low moisture and a long, slow bake increase spread and crunch. The darker cookie has more flavor. That's the one you want to eat, to share, to crave. In a world that can feel overwhelmingly complex, dipping a shatteringly crunchy bone into a hot cappuccino reminds me to slow down and savor life's simple pleasures. So take a moment and indulge in simple luxury because